Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here, and welcome to episode 458 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Diginex has been listed on the Nasdaq, Atari has partnered with Chain Games for token integration, and Hive has hit record highs in Ethereum production. But just before we dive into today's show, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And while you're at it, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com, such as the Cannabis Podcast or the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, either of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so digital assets financial services company Diginex Limited has gone public and began trading on the Nasdaq following a business combination transaction with 8i Enterprises Acquisition Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol JFK. Diginex will trade on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol EQOS. Diginex CEO Richard Byworth commented, quote, "This is a watershed moment for both Diginex and the cryptocurrency industry with the listing of the first ever company with a crypto exchange on Nasdaq. This also presents the first opportunity for anyone trading in the U.S. capital markets to buy directly into the equity of a digital asset ecosystem and opens the door for financial institutions to participate in the enormous opportunity that digital assets present. Diginex offers a unique set of innovative products and institutional-grade infrastructure. Our EQOS.io exchange is regulatory-focused and will offer features such as segregation of duties, portfolio margining, and cross-collateralization, which are not commonly available in the crypto exchange marketplace." End quote. Atari, which trades on the OTC under the ticker symbol PONGF, has partnered with gaming ecosystem Chain Games and will integrate its Atari token as a support cryptocurrency in Chain Games' first-party blockchain-based titles. Atari CEO Fred Chesnes said, quote, "We are pleased to announce today a strategic partnership with Chain Games, a true pioneer in blockchain-based gaming. The technologies which power the Chain Games network create exciting and new possibilities for developers and users, ensuring secure transitions, financial versatility, and additional sources of revenue, not just for game makers, but also for players interested in raising the stakes of competitive multiplayer experiences." End quote. Hive Blockchain Technologies Limited, which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol HIVE or Hive, has reported hitting a record amount of Ethereum production in the current quarter, attributed to the continued strong usage of the blockchain network, notably for decentralized finance or DeFi applications, and the positive impact this has had for industrial-scale Ethereum miners. In the quarter, running from July 1st to September 30th, 2020, the company mined more than 32,000 Ethereum, up from approximately 25,000 Ethereum mined in the previous quarter. An increased demand for Ethereum transactions spurred by the growing popularity of stablecoins and DeFi apps is cited as being a driving factor in this production. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.